Today I'm going to unbox and review this Maxline multi-plug with 3 sockets. This multi-plug comes with a 2-meter cable. The body is made of plastic material. Multi-plug on-off switch. This multi-plug has 3 USB Type-A ports and 1 Type-C port, and 3 charging sockets. Let's check the charging capacity. So overall, the Maxline 3-socket multi-plug is a good